What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a quick video showing you the new LasFit all-weather floor mats for the all-new 2026 Toyota Rav4. Take a look at the links down in the description below for Toyota all-weather floor mats from LasFit, as well as this kit for the all-new Rav4. The Rav4 has been the USA's #1 selling SUV, and for 2026, it's a completely new vehicle, and it's honestly a fantastic vehicle. So if you're buying the new Rav4, you want to protect your interior, so let's get right into installing these new all-weather floor mats on the new Rav4. So a quick look at them. This is the full kit. We're gonna have the two front seat ones, as you can tell, and then we have the rear seat passenger as well, just one giant piece. And you're gonna notice the overhangs are very large, to where it's gonna cover a lot of the floor. We have the whole cargo liner as well as the seat backs. So these are gonna do a great job just keeping all the carpeting in tip-top shape. And when it's time to clean them, you just pop them out. The overhangs, like I mentioned, are gonna do a great job holding in dirt, and you can just clean them up, put them back in, and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and start with the back. Let's go ahead and pop the power tailgate. And then one thing you should do when you do buy these, obviously they come in a box, so you're gonna wanna make sure you set them outside in the sun for a little bit, just so the packaging lines that you see them being folded can clean up a little bit and straighten out. So we're gonna move that out of the way. Now this one does have the nice carpeted floor liners, which of course is a cool option, but in reality, you know, the carpet is just gonna get destroyed by all the use. So we can slide this in. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way, and let's get these seats down. I like with the Rav, got two angles of recline, and we can easily get these out of the way. So this is gonna go up a little bit farther, and then basically just cover right to the edge as you would expect. It's gonna do a really good job just covering everything nicely, fitting in here. Everything is laser measured, so as you can tell, the fitment is spot on, and it goes up a little bit to the backs of these seats. So when you do have these seats up, these are gonna fold nicely. So from here, we can do these seat backs. So just entering through the back, we can see which one is gonna be which side. So obviously the single seat and then the double seat. So that'll be over there. And then taking a look at this one, the corrugated side will probably go down below. They are Velcroed on the back, so it makes it really easy to go where you need it to go. So lining that up around, we have the anchors, and then I guess we can probably put this underneath that piece. And then for this one, same sort of deal. We just line it up nicely, and we are good to go. So now when you use your Rav4 for utility, the entire flooring is now covered, and like anything, you're still gonna have access to get to your spare tire under here. But everything's looking really good. Another look without that. And again, leaving these out in the sun will soften them up, but that's gonna protect the back really well. And then if we put these seats up, we can get a good idea of how everything is gonna look. So that's gonna kind of go down as mentioned. And then on this side, perfect. So nice, perfect, still giving you protection, you know, maybe your dog's in the back or something. So far, so good. These are fitting really good in the new Rav4, and they're gonna perform exactly the way you'd want. All right, so cargo is all done, and I'm just leaving in the carpeted liners for the sake of the video. But now let's move on to the entire second row. So I like how they use just one giant piece. With the factory carpets, like, they look fine, but obviously there's no real protection. They're just there to be there, basically. This, on the other hand, is going to fully protect everything. Kids in the back, friends in the back, you know, you're not gonna have issues. And as you can tell, look at that fitment once again, lining up to the edges. That way all the dirt is gonna stay where it needs to be. And of course, be easy to clean. Look at that, that is spot on, exactly the way you would want it. That is really good fit. And I like the softer rubber, it's a really good material. Next up, we have our passenger front floor mat. And again, I do like the Rav logo. They look cool, but not really giving you any protection where it counts. And this just setting in place. Again, just spot on, right to the edges. It's gonna cover exactly what you need. Now, for the front driver's seat, you're gonna see these little locks right here. That way it can be secure, just like you want them. And then here we can take these out. So obviously you would be taking out all of your carpeted floor mats when installing these in your car, just to make sure everything is perfect. So with this, I like how it's gonna be all OEM fitting and go up that pedal a little bit as well. So it's just gonna make it to where they fit perfectly. As you can tell, the dead pedal's covered, locking in for safety. And look at that, absolute perfection. These are really good, honestly. I'm really impressed. I like the fit and finish, the material. That is exactly what you would want in your brand new RAV4. Well, there you guys go, installing LasFit's all new all-weather floor mats for the brand new 2026 Toyota RAV4. This car just hit the market and they just dialed in the specs and production of these floor mats. So now for your new RAV4 owners, you are ready to go getting a nice set of all-weather mats. They fit perfectly. We've been using LasFit for many, many years in all of our cars, and I've always been impressed with the price point and the quality. Take a look at the description. We have a link for you, as well as a discount code for all of our viewers. That way you can get a nice little discount on your next set of all-weather floor mats. We'll see you guys in the next video.